Hi travellers, so today I wanted to do a update for March 2020 and let you know what's going on for the channel. And also this is a little bit special because this video right now you're watching is actually my 200th video. So I was just checking Social Blade to see when my subscriber count might be hitting 10,000. And they're saying that it's probably going to be before the end of this year in either October or November. So I'm very excited. Thank you so much for your subscriptions. And I noticed in the top left here you can see it says that I have 199 videos prior to uploading this one. So this is my 200th video. So 200th video spectacular. Yes, so I'll just tell you a quick couple of plans for the channel and some of the upcoming reviews. So I will be reviewing these here, which is the updated version of the Diaplay wireless headphones. Ultimate Body Bar Soap. I'll just throw in a couple of clips here of me using it. I'm going to be uploading that one really shortly. Also, I'm going to be doing a comparison between some of the Western Rise pants and comparing them to some of the Outlier pants. And I think I might do a video on comparing all three of the Western Rise pants. I also have a review of this one here, so I'll just throw in a quick clip here as well. I'm going to be reviewing the Ozuko backpack, and that's from a Chinese company, and it's very similar to some of the older air travel backpacks, so I'll be very interested to try that one out. So in terms of the future of this channel, and what I actually want to do with my life, when I started this channel I never thought it would be able to be something that I could do as like a job in the future. Of course, I always wanted to. About 5 or 6 years ago when I started this channel in 2013, I was just about to go off to South Korea and teach English as an English teacher. But I started uploading videos and was getting a very small but steady following. So I just kept doing it as a kind of a side hobby. But right now it's getting to a point where I'm actually almost able to sustain myself with the income that I'm making from the channel. And that is ultimately something that I want to do into the future. And so, as you know, I have a girlfriend in Thailand, in Bangkok, and it's always been my dream to move to Thailand like so many other channels have, and sort of support myself with my creative endeavors with the channel. And so at the moment, I'm just trying to work out a few more side jobs or try to get some more online work. But I am aiming for, before this year ends, to actually be in Thailand and supporting myself with my online work. So if you actually do know of any opportunities for online work, or if you would like to get in touch and have me help you with something like setting up a channel or graphics or video or photography, yes, please get in touch. I'm available for work if you do know anything, especially online work. I'm looking into a couple of different options of different revenue streams and different online work. So I'll definitely keep you updated with that. But it'll also allow me to do a lot more out and about videos and sort of travel food videos, and also like living expense videos, and of course packing list videos, which I really want to do a lot more of. So when I'm in Thailand, I'll be able to travel to different nearby locations and do packing list videos and more travel videos, which is what I've always wanted to do with this channel. So I hope you will support me with this. So of course contact me if you have any leads or further information, or if you want to help out, or even if you have a channel yourself and you want to do a collaboration, I'm definitely open to that sort of thing as well. So that's it, basically a quick update for my 200th video in March, and I look forward to having you all on board and growing the channel together and onwards to the future journeys. So thank you again for subscribing, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date with future videos.